Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you how you can export a CSV file into an Excel file using xlwt library in Python. xlwt is a very good library, guys. It is alternative to pandas and XLS writer library. So the command is very simple: xlwt. This is the name of the package, guys, we are using for this video to export your CSV file into an Excel file. xlwt. Simply install this package. I have already installed this package, and after that just create a app.py file. We will basically see step-by-step code, guys. We will first of all import the CSV module, which is a built-in module in Python to read the content of the CSV file. Then xlwt, this is the name of the package. And here, guys, first of all we will create a user.csv file in the root directory, and then we will read the content of this file. Again, we will use the open method, which is a built-in method in Python to read the actual content of the file. The second argument here, it represents the flag here. Either you can write read. So here we are reading the content of the CSV file. That's why we are providing here the read flag. The next argument it takes is the new line character, and the new line will be this one. Encoding, how we will read this? We will read this as a UTF-8 string and UTF-8, and then as CSV file. And then we will simply read the file using the reader method, which is available inside this module. And we will convert the rows into a list by using the list method. And now all the things, if you create a CSV file, guys, in the root directory like this, if you know the syntax, guys, it is so this is two rows, columns here. If you see, we will basically read the content of this. If I try to run this, you will see it will read the content and print it in the console. This is actual code which is required, guys, for actually reading the content of the CSV file. Now we need to export them into a Excel file. So we will say that output file.xls, and then we will actually create a new workbook. So this package xlwt contains a workbook constructor, and then we will add a sheet to it using workbook.add_sheet. So this will add a new sheet to a Excel file, guys, and here we can call this sheet as anything. I will call this as names, and then we will write the data inside the sheet, guys, using a for loop. For row num row data in enumerate rows. We will loop through all the data inside this for loop, and we will use the inner loop to loop through the columns. Row data. So inside this we will use the write method, sheet.write, and we will write row number, column number, and the column value. So these three things we will write, guys, and after that we will save this file. We can even say the sheet. If I try to run this, you will see it is basically a sheet object returned to us. We need to save this sheet into an actual Excel file. So it contains a method which is save, and here we will provide Excel file path. So this output file.xls file will be created after you run the script now. And if I try to say python app.py, a file is created, guys. If I try to open this file, you will see. Okay, I think you need to name your file as XLX. There are two variations of Excel file, guys, XLS or XLSX. With the help of this library, you can create XLS file, this one. If I try to open this file here, so now you can see that it has converted this into Excel file. These are the rows here, name, age, columns, and these are the rows of data. These are columns. So we have successfully converted our CSV file into Excel files, guys. Thank you very much for this video.